Welcome to Spa-Francorchamps for the second race of the FIA World Endurance Championship 2026. That's a 51 Ferrari, and here comes Fuego on the inside.
Spa-Francorchamps, 7 kilometers long, 19 corners we have here, flat out for this 6-hour event.
The 6 hours, round 2 of the FIA World Endurance Championship. As the lights, away we go green. Down to Eau Rouge.
WEC and gets overtaken by the number 83 Ferrari through turn 9 as well, cannot get.
Antonio Giovinazzi in the 51 Ferrari has yet to get by the Genesis Magna racing car.
Side by side between the Ferrari and the second Cadillac now.
He's on the outside, Bamber with the inside line and hangs on to 6th position for now.
Into turn 5, round the outside, that's a brave move, but he just about gets through at turn 6. Brilliant move there. And here comes Giovinazzi down the inside of the yellow Ferrari at La Source. Giovinazzi is really on the move, he's looking quick. They've got a problem on the left front.
Yeah, left front.
Disaster. I can't get it off. Oh, here we go.
Here's a chance again. The Cadillac, ironically, held up by the Corvette. Nielsen's on the inside.
Oh,
the Cadillac on the dirt, runs out wide. Oh my goodness, and the Ferrari with a run on the Cadillac. This is the 51 car of Alessandro Pierguidi, and he just went straight by. That's a 51 Ferrari, and that is the car that was in 9th position with Alessandro Pierguidi. And here's the BMW hanging on to second. Fuoco is all over the back of him. Oh, this is going to be very close for the 15 BMW, but again, have to go around the outside. Down here at Campus, it's going to be really hard for Fuoco.
He's thinking about it, but he got it covered, has Fuoco.
This is danger time for Kevin Magnussen in the 15 BMW. And here comes Fuoco on the inside. Here's Magnussen again. Fuoco knows that and has to back out of it, clear of all the GT3 traffic. And so is the leader. Here's for second, Magnussen, Fuoco.